Hi, how are you doing today? Let's draw a lonely boy just thinking about his girl. Let's start the drawing from the top. You can see it's going to be the line drawing. Alright, so let's do some details for the hairs. You can see, okay. Now we're going to draw the neck and the collar of the dress. And as he is wearing a shirt, you can see I'm putting a hand of the shirt here. Now his fingers, he is wearing a pant. You can see the details of the pant. Okay, and the leg, another extension you can see here in the back here, and the leg. One hand is on the back side, you can see. Okay, and the memory, it just looks like a shadow for the past. Let's put the shadow here for the past. Like this is going to be the shape of a leg. Then you can see it's going to be the shade of a skirt. Shade of a skirt. And this is going to be the body figure shape. You can see a hand, and which is holding in his hands. All right, and you can see the face here. There's another shadow, and the shadow of the hair falling on the outside. Okay, so there's the shadow. Now let's put some color for the shirt here. We're using the purple color. For the body, let's use the orange color. For the pants, let's use the dark blue color. Again, orange color for the legs. And for the hair, let's put the black color. If you like, you can make some shades variations, just putting thickness on the one side. Okay, also putting thickness here. All right, so this is it. Let's put the ground under his legs, and few lines just defining the grass. And the variations of the green lines. Alright, it's a nice picture. I hope you like the drawings. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.